Today, we're diving into the investment landscape of one of Ho Chi Minh City's most premium residential projects, Vinhomes Golden River. It's located right in District 1 along the Saigon River, a central riverfront position.
Yeah, it's a fantastic spot. You've got prime access to the central business district, high-end retail, and premium food and beverage outlets. It's definitely a location that offers a solid locational premium. But what's the current state of the market there in 2025?
The market is showing strong demand, particularly from high-net-worth Vietnamese buyers and corporate expatriates. The development is positioned in the luxury segment, which is holding its ground quite well compared to the broader Ho Chi Minh City market.
That's good news. And in terms of prices, what are we looking at for Vinhomes Golden River?
Prices are quite varied depending on the unit. For example, a one-bedroom apartment might go for around $250,000 to $350,000, and a two-bedroom unit can range from $400,000 to $800,000. Prices can go as high as $1.2 million for the penthouses.
That's definitely high-end. But with those prices, I'd imagine the rental market's also strong?
Absolutely. The rental rates reflect the high demand for these luxury units. A one-bedroom apartment might rent out for $700 to $900 per month, while a three-bedroom can command $1,400 to $2,000. A lot of the demand is driven by multinational executives and affluent tenants.
I can see how the proximity to the CBD and the integrated services at Vinhomes would make it attractive for those looking for high-end living. But what about the investment side of things? Are there any risks or challenges for potential buyers?
Great question. There are a few risks to consider. Macroeconomic factors, like interest rates, could affect buyer affordability, and if there's a slowdown in the corporate leasing market, that could put some pressure on rental demand. Additionally, there's the risk of overhang from off-plan investors who might be trying to flip their units.
That makes sense. So, for someone looking to buy here, are we talking more about long-term investment rather than a quick flip?
Definitely. The recommendation for Vinhomes Golden River is typically medium to long-term holding, around 3 to 7 years. Short-term flips carry higher risks, especially with the premium pricing. Buyers looking for a good return should focus on capital appreciation, not immediate rental yields.
And how about financing? Since we're talking about premium units, I'd assume the financing options need to be a bit more strategic.
Exactly. Buyers should secure competitive mortgage terms, but given the relatively low rental yields, conservative leverage is recommended. Also, foreign investors need to check local ownership rules and fund repatriation details.
Right, it's always important to understand the legal side of things. Speaking of that, what should buyers prioritize when doing their due diligence?
Buyers should confirm title and legal documentation, review service charges and management performance, and make sure they get a proper inspection of the unit condition. Also, if possible, buying a unit that's furnished by Vinhomes is a good move, since it simplifies leasing down the line.
For sure. And are there any key features that can really enhance a unit's value, like views or specific location?
Absolutely. Units with river or park views on higher floors tend to have stronger capital appreciation and rental premiums. Also, securing parking spaces, if available, can significantly affect resale value in District 1.
I can see how that would make a big difference in a highly competitive market. But compared to other projects in Ho Chi Minh City, how does Vinhomes Golden River stack up?
Vinhomes Golden River stands out because of its District 1 location, riverfront views, and the brand recognition of Vin Group. If you compare it to projects like Thao Dien or even Vinhomes Central Park, Golden River commands a higher price per square meter due to its prime location.
So, if someone's looking for the best of the best, Golden River is the go-to. But for those on a budget, other options like Thao Dien might still be worth considering?
Exactly. Thao Dien projects might be more affordable and are great for family living. But for those wanting the absolute prime spot in the city, Vinhomes Golden River offers unparalleled value.
Sounds like a strong investment for anyone looking for long-term value. Thanks for breaking it all down.
Anytime. It's always exciting to discuss these kinds of prime real estate opportunities.